Welcome to the last class of Mobile Action App Store Growth Hacking course. This course, I wanna do mostly pretty much what we so far covered, and then what was all about this course, and then share something new. I think so. That's all right now. Yeah, I'm so happy we're getting a lot of questions and a lot of interest. What we're doing is, I think so, it's good for the community and app developers in general. That's the reason I'm so happy for everyone who are sending us a lot of questions. It's been a week. We got many questions. I want to share more things about app store optimization, and because of I'm sorry, because of you guys, we changed it to something new. Um, when you just add a new app, automatically this dashboard page looks like this. This is a new look, which is showing you guys historical data about the visibility score for the iPhone and iPad. For example, this is for YouTube for US, and this is YouTube for Apple, and then these are top keywords like sort score, chance, and then how many apps, the competition, and what's the rating of the YouTube, and then this is the pretty much last 6 months real data. Like you can see that is this top is positive, this part is negative. YouTube is getting a lot of negative downloads, and we're adding recommended action for the based on your app data, which is coming soon. It's probably very in a week, maybe less than a week, we'll have this thing. Okay, let's just start talking one thing about the keyword tracking. We got some question, people asking why, what is this all about. This is all about, instead of you are writing to the keyword, or just thinking that which keyword we are ranking or not, this is the automatic, the auto suggestion, and which means that is the keyword you are using your app name on your keyword spot, or on the reviews and ratings you are ranking. You don't have to submit this thing. You can just add your own phrase. If you want to learn some keywords, or some keywords you just thinking that are we ranking or not, just like free video, you can just submit and you can get the data. If you guys ranking, for example, YouTube is their number one, video they're number 73, so I mean they're not number top 10, right, in video. But YouTube's already 91 sort of score, which is great. The free video, for example, this is it's a new keyword. That's the reason we keep checking. So if you can see this calculating or checking, all you gotta do is submit again. If you don't do that, we do the based on periodically just showing you when the the calculation is end, we're automatically updating. But if you want to just make it faster, just you submit a couple times, and then it's gonna come up. This is number one question. Number two, in the competitor tracking, these are the competitor we are just showing based on the the category and keyword ranking, and then also based on the data. But if you guys want to do add your competitor, all you gotta do is just add Instagram, for example. Instagram already here, and then just track it. You don't need to be on the the track this app. You can search it any app, and you can for example Facebook. If you're thinking so, this Facebook is the competitor, all you gotta just add it. Number third question, competitor insight. Yes, based on the your data. I mean, what do you start competing? We are just showing you guys. You can see, you can just switch any competitor, or you can add new competitor. Just go to that page. Other question is like for the review analyst. Yes, this is the like the reviews based on last 30 days. You can search. This is 2.23, which is like very low. I mean, yeah, and that's all you need to do. For example, if you just wanna learn UK, and then all you gotta just click it, and then it just change. Or if you wanna do, yeah, that was a question. If you wanna learn different countries, for example, Russia, well, you just gotta click it and it's just gonna show up. But pretty much a lot of people saying bad things about the YouTube 1 star. I don't know, a lot of bad things. Yeah. Okay. For the trend part, I'm gonna be doing action lastly. This is like ranking history. You can see this thing in here, or you can just click. We just change the details page with the dashboard. If you click the details, you can still see the same category ranking, but that used to be in dashboard, but we just changed the dashboard landing. This is the detail page. And then download history, you got to connect to your iTunes. When you connect it, you can see you don't need to go to iTunes or different services, just be learning your download data, because you can see in here. And update history, same things. On the action part, we heard that a lot of question, and it's a good question actually. Like they're asking like what is like this number. Yes, we should be adding here somewhere. I'm saying my team right now, please do it. We should be adding here in 20 hours that day, and this average CPI is market rate. It's not the guarantee, that's just the average, just giving you guys some insight, like what is going on in the market, what's going on in the US. We're working on something to change this thing, also different countries too. Right now only just US. Okay, for the launch campaign, if you guys can add it, new launch campaign right now boost, because we're just making this thing actually just only the companies where we know like what's their goal, what's their plan. And this part you gotta just like launch and add the money and you're good to go. I mean, you can check the cluster, you can see the details. And one thing is that the keyword tracking. Okay, so I want to show you guys something. For example, this app, let's add some app. It's a new app, for example, Pro Flowers. So just Valentine's days ended. You see that there how many keywords they're ranking. Interesting, right? Let's just submit it, see what's going on. And then yeah, they're pretty much very good on the keyword part. I want to show you guys historically like what's happened to this thing. I'm traveling actually, that's the reason my internet is not really good. That's the reason this part is taking a little bit of time. But I mean, this guy is like the Flores flower delivery, they just did update recently and make their app to better and top keywords and related to the flowers. Seasonality is very important. You make sure that is, guys, the chance should be high and search score should be at least like 40 and above, and chance should be like 70, 80, 90%, and which is make you easy to get you the top charts. Okay, the art exam, which we have everyone's data, so which means like we know, are you guys working, are you guys like trying to do any course on learning or not, which means that is like if you guys not doing anything, or like you just sign up this course but didn't have any activity, we don't send you guys the exam link. Exam only the people who done some assignments, homework, or has an activity in their dashboard. You make sure that is like it might be your last chance. and then like you can't receive the exam details if you're not active in the dashboard. Thank you so much, guys, and I'm feeling that is we're gonna do another course in soon, but that's more like the detailed, and that's more like interesting data, and market is changing every day, and then data is changing. Please keeping your eye on the mobile action dashboard. Thank you so much so far. What are you guys sending us the great question, great assignments? All we did this thing, and why we're still free for this product, because we want to think that as great app should be more visible. We want to change the market. That's the reason we're doing this thing. Thank you so much again. Bye bye.